In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through a dumbbell alternating neutral grip floor press. So firstly, let's go through those words one by one. So of course, dumbbell, I'm using the dumbbells as resistance. I've got a mat here as well for comfort. You don't have to use a mat for this, it is optional. You could use a pillow for your head if you wanted to, whatever suits you and makes you comfortable. A neutral grip is where I'm going to have my hands like so, so knuckles facing away from me, and I'm also going to have a 45-degree angle at the elbow, and I'm going to bring one weight up, and as I come down, the next weight is going to come up, and it's going to be alternating from each side with each repetition. So firstly, what I want you to do is come into a position where you've got your knees bent, feet are in contact with the floor. And notice here how I've brought the dumbbells nice and close to my hand. Now, first thing we want to do is have the dumbbells in an upright position. And I'm going to bend my elbow, coming into my start position. So again, my palms are facing each other here. And what I'm going to do, trying to keep a 45-degree angle at the elbow, is come up and back down. But of course, when we're doing this alternating, I'm going to bring one side up. Once I come into contact with my elbow with the floor, I'm then going to extend the next side from the elbow. So each time I do this, it's one repetition. The primary work here is done by my tricep, because each repetition involves me extending the elbow, and to do that, that's the triceps' primary role and function. So once I'm done, I'm then going to bring the weights down, and then I can drop them back to a flat position. So that would be how to do a dumbbell floor press alternating with a neutral grip.